One of my favorite things to do on a cool autumn morning is to go searching for fall scenery. Scenery that can be so spectacular that it seems to make time stand still. I usually try to keep my distance from fast food, but this is the only time of the year that I make an exception and allow myself to indulge just a little. So as I enjoy my hot breakfast on the road and get the heart rate up, my adventurous side takes over and the excitement sets in. The more I am able to explore, the more beautiful fall scenes reveal themselves to me. And it's times like these where it just seems the color is so omnipresent that you just wish you could hold on to it for a while. Yet every year, once that week of peak foliage hits, it seems to pass in a flash. And I usually feel like I've missed out on seeing more of it. But this year I did get out quite a bit to drive around. So here is some of what I was able to compose on my cameras and some of my daily local travels this autumn.
That was incredible. I was not expecting that. But that just goes to show why it's so beneficial sometimes to just take the time and just go drive. Well, the colors are nice here. I'm gonna pull in. But my goodness, that drive was, I mean, it's about as colorful as you can get. I don't know if you can get much more color than that. But that was a peak drive. Jeez. I know where to come back now. That's gonna be one of my spots that I'll probably try and hit every year now. I timed it up just right at this point. Today is October 16th. So we are dead halfway through the month, and I think tonight is the full moon. Actually, either tonight or tomorrow. What a beautiful drive, man, and it's still so gorgeous here. A lot of the leaves here are just turned. I mean, it's pretty much peak here. Wow. Caledonia is a nice little state park. I've come here a few times before, but man. Oh my gosh, there's some trees over there. Yeah.
One more thing I do want to mention is about the weather this fall season, as I believe it had a huge impact on just how distinctly the foliage looked this year. From October 1st through mid-November, we didn't see an ounce of rain, and we hardly had any cloud cover either. We were in a major drought, and with all of that sun shining every day, I think we could see that reflected in how the leaves looked as they turned colors on the trees. They were still pretty colors, but they had a much more rustic and dried out look to them. I guess that's how I would describe it. Either way, my curiosity is always piqued, as no two fall seasons are exactly alike. I just always try to take the time to enjoy it before it's all gone and another season comes.